Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular series, we will learn about set theory and we will solve some problems on set theory based on the set theory. And in the particular series, we will learn the whole concept of set theory. So please continue with the video and please take a note of this set theory. This video is for class 11 and 12 and for all boards, and the concept is very much important for more chapters that are permutation, combinations, probability, etc. These chapters contains many concepts from this set theory. Okay, so please continue with this video. Thank you. Okay, so what is set theory? What is set? First we have to know what is set. Set is collection of objects. Set is collection of objects of a particular kind. Okay, let us suppose that odd numbers. Set of odd numbers. Okay, so how the set of odd numbers? You have to define a set using this basis. Okay, so odd number set, that means 1 3 5 7 9, okay, dot 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 up to infinite. Okay, this is odd number set. Let us suppose set of colors green, red, yellow, blue, etc. Okay, many colors. And third one, set of prime numbers. So many thing we have 2 3 5 7, okay, 2 3 5 7 11. Okay. So in this way we define or we represent a set. Okay, so set is collection of objects of a particular kind. Okay, so now more set different kinds of triangle, that is equilateral triangle, isosceles, okay, right angle, etc. Okay, these are different kinds of triangle. In this way we represent a set, or this is the concept of set. What is set? This is the concept. Okay, so now we have to, okay, let's say, okay, in this next thing. So a more thing, that is let's say set of prime factors of 210. Okay, so what are the factors? 2 into 105, that means 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, 2 3 5 7. Okay, so 2 3 5 7 is the prime factors of. Okay, so what is the set of prime factors of 210? That is 2 3 5 and 7. Okay, so this is the set of prime factors of 210. Now what is the set of solution of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6, that is x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Solution of this equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. So set of solution is 2 comma 3. Okay. So this is the set of the solution of this equation. Okay. Now we have to first know the predefined sets, the universal sum sets. Okay. So universal sets. So firstly, we define all the set of natural numbers by this n or any or n like this. Okay. So anyway, this is the set of all natural numbers. Okay. Number 2, z. You can write this or this. Okay. This type of set. This is set of all integers. Okay. Number 3, real, r. Set of all real numbers. Okay. Now 4 is q. Set of all rational numbers. Okay. So set of all natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Set of all integers minus dot 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 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, dot dot dot. Set of all real numbers, all number. Okay, rational number, irrational number, all thing. Root 3, root 5, 17 by 3, 2, minus 4, 0, everything is in real number set. And rational number is the numbers which we can write in p by q form, where p and q both are integers. Okay, and q not equal to 0. Okay, this is set of rational number. Okay, so now more set is z plus. What is z plus? Z plus is set of all positive integers. Okay, set of all positive integers. R plus, set of all positive real numbers. Okay, now one more thing is q plus. We can also write q plus, set of all positive real numbers. Okay, so this is the thing. Now this is some predefined sets. Okay, n set of natural, z set of all integers, r set of all real numbers, q set of all rational numbers, and plus plus plus, these are all positive. If it is minus, z minus, then this is negative integers. If this is minus, then this is negative real numbers. Okay, so now okay, a notation. Let's say a set is defined as 2 3 4. Okay, so you can write 2 belongs to, this is the belongs to sign, epsilon belongs to A. That means 2 is present in set A. 2 belongs to A means 2 is present in set A. And if we write 5 does not belong to A, that means 5 is not in set A. So this is the notation of belongs to and not belongs to. Okay, and the next thing is we can represent a set in two form. Okay, first is roster form, and the second one is set builder form. Set builder form means we have to build a set using some statements, and the set will be represented by that statements. Okay, so that is the set builder form. Now we will know more about roster form and set builder form. Okay, so we'll learn more about roster form and set builder form. Okay, so roster form and set builder form. Let's say a set is defined as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is roster form in the second basis. And if a set is defined as, let's say 1, 2, and x represent that x is positive integers and x is less than or equal to 6. That means x is positive integers and x is less than equal to 6. Okay, that does not mean that this set is, and if we write this thing, x is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 6, then all the integers look that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is present in the set. This set, the set can be represented as this form. This is the set builder form of this set. And if we write a set that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, 11. Let's leave 11. A is x is prime number, x is less than 10. Okay, so all the prime numbers less than 10 is this set 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and okay, let's say a set in English literature, A, E, I, O, U. In English, A, I, O, U, we can define as x is vowel. Okay, then A, I, O, U. In this form, in this roster form, a set is represented, and in this set builder form, a set is also represented. Okay, so now we will solve a problem. Okay, so what is the problem? Now a problem is given, that is solution of x square minus 2 equal to 0 in roster form. Okay, so solution of x square plus x minus 2 in roster form. So x minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 1, x equal to minus 2. So what will be the set? Solution 1 comma minus 2. Okay, this is the solution of x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 in roster form. Now second is write example 2. This is example 2. Okay, write the set x is a positive integer and x square less than 40. Okay, in roster form. So they have asked for a set in which x is a positive integer and x square less than 40. So x is a positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot. And now what is the condition? X square less than 40. X square equal to 1, 4, 9 square 16, 25, 36, 49. Look that this is greater than 40, so this will not be the case. So what will be the set? Set is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Okay, so this will not be in the set as this does not satisfy this condition. X square is less than 40. This doesn't satisfy. Okay, so this is the required set in roster form. Okay, okay, this is the required set in roster form. Okay, now a set is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 dot dot dot. Represent this set in set builder form. Okay, in set builder form. How? You can easily find that this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, dot dot up to certain point. So x is square of positive, or okay, x is square of positive integers. Okay, and we can write this as x equal to n square, n belongs to I plus or z plus. Z is positive integer. Okay, n belongs to z plus, n is positive integer, and x equal to n square. N is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like this. A is x, that is x equal to n square, and n belongs to z plus. Now a more problem, that is 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 7, like this, or let's say up to this. So how can we represent this in the set builder form? Look that the numerator, the denominator is one step ahead of this. That means if this is n, this is n plus 1. Okay, if n equal to 1, then n plus 1 is 2. If n equal to 2, then 2 upon 2 plus 3, 3. So we can write that x is represented by x equal to n by n plus 1, where what? N belongs to z plus positive integer and n is less than 6, less than or equal to 6. Okay, and n is starting from 1, n, 6. Okay, so n is positive integer and n is from 1 to 6. This is the set. Look that if we put 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 3. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, like this we can represent a set. Like this we can represent a set in set builder form. Okay, now okay, how can we represent x? Let's say x equal to x plus 1. Sorry, x is an x plus 1 equal to 1, and x belongs to z. X is an integer and x plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, this is 0, 0 plus 1, and if this is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. How can we represent this set? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. This is x. X is positive. X is positive factors. Okay, factors, positive integers and or positive integers and divisors. Okay, divisors of 18. Look at divisors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, this way we can represent this set in set builder form. Okay, now we have to talk about thing. There is a question. A is x is an integer and -3 less than x7. So x starts from -3 and x is less than 7 and x is an integer. Okay, so -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 7. As this is not equal to sign, this is only less than sign, so up to 6. Now a question is B. X is a natural number. B is a natural number less than 6. So what is B? 1. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number starts from 1. Less than 6, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So x is a natural number, less than 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the set. Now I have to talk about a set, that is empty set or null set. What is empty set? We represent empty set as this or this 5. Okay. So in this way we represent set empty set. Empty set does not mean that, remember, empty set does not mean that 0. Okay, 0 is also an element. Empty set means empty, nothing is there. Okay, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Okay, now nothing is there, and now a concept is finite and infinite set. Finite set means what? Let us suppose finite set means any finite number of elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, finite. But if a set of real number, that means all real numbers, anything, root 3, root 5, 17 by 3, 1, 2, -1, all, any number. Okay, natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, infinity. These are infinite sets and these are finite sets. Okay, so this is the difference between finite set and infinite set. Nothing to worry about this. This is very much easy. Finite and infinite sets. You just have to remember what is finite set and what is infinite set. Nothing more about. Okay. Now a thing is that what is the set? This is just 1, 2. Solution of this 1, 2 both belongs to natural number, and this is the solution of this equation. So this is the answer. And one thing you have to remember, that infinite sets can be represented in roster form. It's a wrong way of representation. You can never represent a infinite set in this way. Okay, in this way you can never represent a set, infinite set.